morning, class 9. Once again, welcome back to e-learning platform of St. Michael Academy. The students, myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, welcoming you to e-learning platform. The students, in previous videos, we have started a new lesson entitled A Truly Beautiful Mind. The students, we have seen the initial years of the greatest scientist of the world, Albert Einstein, and some important years and events of his initial lives. Students, I would like to remind you for your better knowledge that it was in the year 1900 he was graduate but still unemployed. It was a matter of great surprise, but he never lost his hope and he tried his level best to find any job. Ultimately, he got a job of technical expert in 1902 in the patent office in Bern. It was in the year 1905 that his special theory of relativity was published, which was later on turned into E is equal mc square, and this became a great revolutionary step in the field of science. The students, thereafter, in the January 1903, he got married with Milova, his fellow students in the same department, and they had got 2 sons. But after that, his married life started going downwards, and it could not go for a long time, more than for 16 years. It was in the year 1919 that they got separated forever. But Einstein married his cousin Elsa in the same year. It was in the year 1950 that he had published his general theory of relativity, which was published in the newspaper and treated and proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Students, in the year 1921, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics, and thereafter he was awarded so many awards, and he was always just searched for by the press for his interview and other ideas related to science. Students, today we shall try our level best to conclude the lesson. It was in the year 1939 that Nazi came to the power in Germany. This was not a good sign for the betterment of the country, and Einstein just went to United States. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American just concept thereof, and it was just loved and respected by all. Many of them had fled from fascism just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atom bomb. This greatest scientist was always in fear that Hitler and his party could do something wrong with the just initial steps of atom bomb. At the time when he did it, and it was in the year 1939 on 2 August when he wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Why did he write a letter? It was a letter that showed his love and affection for humanity and others. He wrote very clearly, a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territories. This situation is so much alarming that he warned, but it was America itself that dropped the atom bomb on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Students, Einstein was deeply shocked and shaken by the extent of this destruction. This time he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. In it, he proposed the formation of a world government. It means he wanted that there should be a world-class governing body which could control all those unwanted activities with the help of any dangerous, any just destructive atom bomb. So he wanted that, and later on his appeal was fruitful. United Nations was set up to guide and to just watch over this type of affairs all around the world. Students, this shows that Albert Einstein was a great man. He had a kind heart. He had a kind love for humanity, and he loved humanity. He loved human being more than any atom bomb and others in his life. He was a great supporter for peace and democracy all around the world. He never cared for his popularity, whether it was going downwards or upwards, no matter at all. He always wrote a letter for the betterment of humanity. Students, time came when Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76. And he was one of the personalities who was celebrated as a world citizen as much as a scientific genius. It means his death was celebrated throughout the world, and he was declared, he was just made an international personality by most of the countries of the world. Students, we have come to the end of the lesson, finding very suitable position that if you are a great person, you should have a great heart. If you are a great person, you should do something great. If you are a great person, you have to just make your life dedicated to the welfare of humanity. You should not discriminate on the basis of any just caste and creed, color and birthplace. Students, we should learn so many good qualities that I have earlier stated from the life of Albert Einstein. Students, now it is time for just going through the question answer. I have just decided to give you question answer which is given at the foot of the lesson. The first one is that write the number of paragraphs for each title against the heading. The first one has been done for you. You have to write Einstein equation in which paragraph, Einstein meets his future wife in which paragraph. You have to do like that. Students, now we are moving towards the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh question, which are really important for your examination point of view. The second question, who had these opinions about Einstein's? You have to write the answer. The third one is that you have to explain what the reasons for the following are. Statements are given, you have to write the reason in 1 or 2 lines. The fourth question, what did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office? Why? Why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt? Question number 6 is that how did Einstein react to the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? And question number 7 is that why does the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? Students, I have explained all the questions in form of answer while I was just So try to write all the answers in your school copy that you have to buy from the school. Don't do your homework in any other copy. Thank you, students. In next of the video, we shall start next lesson, and I hope you will do all the questions nicely and beautifully. Thank you again.